Hi there, I'm Rebecca from Vampire Outdoors, and I'm going to talk to you today about going for a wild wee in the countryside. Whether you've been behind a tree, a low rock or a bush, it doesn't really matter. The question is, what do you do afterwards? We all know the shake it off method is neither particularly effective and you just end up with damp knickers, which is neither comfortable nor very hygienic. So you might have a tissue, great, absorbent, but what do you do with it afterwards if you haven't got a plastic bag to put it in? You don't want to be littering the countryside. A leaf, yeah, sure, but in the winter it's kind of difficult to find one, and they're also not very absorbent. So another option is a Kula Cloth. This is a technical pea cloth made by a small company in America. On the dimpled black side, this is absorbent. It has several layers of absorbent material infused with silver ions. This means it's antimicrobial and keeps it really hygienic, even if you've used it several times during the day. On the printed side, and it comes in several different designs, this is waterproof and it keeps your hand dry when you dab afterwards. This is not a wiping back to front situation, just a dab. After you've used it, then you can hang it from your pack and it will dry really, really quickly, which means you can use it multiple times. But if you don't want to have the dirty side touching your backpack, you can snap it in two and this keeps it away. But if you maybe don't want to hang it from your backpack, you can equally fold it in two, again, put it in your pocket, or you can put it in the side pocket of your backpack. It's up to you. So I hope that helps you understand a little bit about what a Kula Cloth is and how it could help you have a more comfortable wild wee experience.